years, the pre-law course is taught. Some universities, such as Pune University, award a bachelor's degree on completion of 3 years of the 5-year course. At present, several national law schools and institutions have permit the 5-year law course is taught. Various universities have introduced 5-year law course while continuing with the existing 3-year law course. In order to equip the students with the knowledge of new subjects in the field of law, the same have been included in the syllabus of the 5-year law course as well as the 3-year law course. In conclusion, it may be said that the present dual system of legal education, with all its deficiencies, provides adequate opportunities and means to meet various challenges facing the legal education in India. There is, however, scope for further improvement so that the legal education in India will be better equipped to meet the challenges and provide freest opportunities to our meritorious students to grow and contribute their best to the progress of the country.
In Panorama Progress, you just heard a talk by Saurabh Munjal, advocate on legal education in India, new opportunities. The script is read by Maria Micro. This is the Channel Overseas Service for All India Radio. We now bring you classical half-hour. Featuring Gopal by Naresh Malhotra.